These low-profile hydraulic transmission jacks from Strongway give you smooth lifting and lowering power, making them ideal for transmission installations and removals. Both the half-ton and one-ton jacks have 360-degree swiveling handles for use in the most restricted working areas. With a universal mounting head that provides a wide fore and aft tilt range. The low-profile design features 4 heavy-duty steel swivel casters for easy positioning and effortless maneuvering throughout the shop. The jacks are constructed of high-grade steel for quality and durability, with wide bases for exceptional stability. Both have high-quality, large-diameter hydraulic steel cylinders and piston ramps treated and polished to resist skiving. Make transmission installations and removals easy with these low-profile hydraulic transmission jacks from Strongway.